How to enable 2FA on Discord. So if you want to enable additional security layer on your Discord application, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily turn on the 2FA or two-factor authentication on your Discord account. So if none of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to this, just go ahead and open the Discord app on your phone. So this could be Android and could be iPhone. Once open the Discord application, hang on and log into your Discord account. Once you've logged into your Discord account, click on the U button at the bottom right. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to click on the settings gear icon at the top right. Once you click on that, now locate account and then click on it under account settings. Then scroll down the page. Then it should say how you sign into your Discord account. Locate enable authenticator app. Then go ahead and type in password. That's your Discord password. Once you type in your Discord password, go ahead and click on OK. Then you should see a port that says download an authenticator app. So all you just need to do is to download either the Hoti Authenticator app or the Google Authenticator app. Then click on next. Then you should say enter the 2FA code, open your Authenticator app and then enter this. Just copy this to clipboard. Then go back, open the Authenticator app on your phone. So click on this plus icon if you already have one. Scan a QR code or enter a setup key. So let me just go ahead. Type in your key. This is the key. Then the code name, let's name this Discord so that you'll be able to identify which application is using this authenticator key. Then type of key, just use it as time-based and then click on add. Then you can see I now have my Discord. Then come back here and then click on next. Then be prompted to enter Discord authentication code. Go back to the 2FA application, press and hold the code to copy it. Then once copied, go back to Discord, paste the code, and then you should say 2FA is activated. Then your Discord account is now protected with an extra layer of security. You can also enable SMS authentication. We suggest adding a phone to your two-factor authentication settings as backup. So you can just go ahead, enable phone 2FA, and then click on done. So that is it. Then you should see the 2FA enabled on your Discord account. So that is basically how to enable or turn on two-factor authentication on Discord. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.